Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start our unit number 2. Hello boys.
Hello, teacher.
Hello Turki Bandar. How are you Turki Bandar?
Hello, teacher. My name is.
Thank you.
Ahmed.
Hello, Said Said. Hello everybody. Open your books. Page 28. Page 28, please. Yes, but those who were absent, they don't know. So we should repeat for them. Okay. So on this page, we are going to start unit number 2, which is about materials. So anybody if you have any idea about material,
Hello, my teacher.
you can tell me. ايش معنى materials? Anyone? What do you mean by materials?
Ustaz Madda.
That is matter, not material. That is matter, madda. Okay. Hello. If you see this picture, if you are watching the screen, you can see here a lot of things, a lot of objects, a lot of interior. You can see or not? You can see.
Yes, I can
light.
See.
You can see clothes, you can see pots, you can see decorations, and so you can see magnet, right? So it means you can see here as well glass and metal and wood and plastic. So you can see many things. Am I right? If you see in your room around you, يعني شوف في الغرفة حقك, you will find many things. What can you see in your room? Tell me.
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Okay. What is this made of? Plastic or iron or what?
Plastic.
Wood. Okay. Good. Then.
Wood.
Ay shaitani. Anything else?
Bed.
Bed.
Bed. Okay. Bed is made of what?
Table.
Table. Table is made of what?
Wood.
Okay.
Wood.
You can see this wall. موجود في الغرفة. جدار.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see
Yes.
mobile or laptop.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You can see your book.
Yes.
No.
Made of
Yes.
what? Paper, right? You are wearing clothes. Okay. So
Door. We can see door.
everything around you, yani kull shay, everything that is material. That is material. Maybe
Material.
plastic, maybe wood, maybe iron, maybe magnetic, maybe cotton. So everything.
Maybe glass.
Yes, everything is material. فهمت ولا لا؟ يعني كل شيء اسمه ايش؟ material.
Material.
In this unit.
Material.
Yes, thank you. So in this unit, we will discuss about materials around us. So first of all, we will discuss our. Okay. So in this module, you will learn that every material has properties. Find out that some materials are magnetic, but many are not. explore why different materials are used for different purposes. They learn how to sort materials into groups. Okay, here we have 2 to 3 things to tell you. What are those? Number one is learn every material has properties. Okay, what are properties? I will tell you now. Okay, so my question is, okay, so boys, Rakis, be with me. Why,
Yes.
okay, why the mask is not made of iron?
Yes.
Lesh?
No. No.
Why?
Because it will be very hard.
Yes, salam. It will be very hard for us. Sir. Okay. Why we don't make our clothes with paper?
Because
Because
We need
the paper is very hot.
paper is hot and we need strong thing, right? We need strong thing, and if somebody throws water, it will be tear up. So we need strong thing to wear. Okay.
it
Understand? So
Plastic.
why don't we make this jadar yani wall with glass yani gazaz?
because it
Because if it glows, it will broken.
Aywa, it will be broken. We need mazboot yani gavi, strong thing. Understand? So it's mean there are many properties. These are called properties. These are called properties. The wall, this wall is hard, yani gavi, hard. Our clothes are, what happened, Battal? You can close your video if, okay. So what I was talking about, we need hard, this is hard. Okay, Abdul Aziz Al Harsi, sit properly. We need hard things to make wall. I need what we say, it should be normal and naim. Okay, naim.
Okay.
When we say that I need to make my clothes, so it's mean I need 9 things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So soft things we need to use for our clothes, we make soft, and some things are hard, some are hot, some are cold, some are strong, some are see-through. Okay.
Some are soft.
So if some are soft, yes. If we make glasses, Nazara, if we make with iron, if we, this is a glass and we make here iron, so can you see from here?
No.
No.
We will not
because-
see nothing. We
Glass.
didn't see things.
Yes. So
No.
for
Glass can
glasses,
see from them.
glasses we need transparent.
Iron that can see from them.
Yes. We need transparent thing. Yani fil jua inta shuf. Right?
Okay.
So it's mean we need transparent things. Okay. So that this is our topic for today. Okay. Then we have magnetic and non-magnetic yani
يعني شيء يسحب الحديد.
ايوه يعني شيء
If you bring something near to the مغناطيس. Yes.
Thing jump up.
عبد الغني كلام زي الناس. انت ما في موجود في السوق. You are not in the market. Okay. Talk slowly and politely, please. So magnetic yani maqnatis, if you bring something near to magnet, it will catch it. That is called, or attract it. That is called magnetic. If it doesn't, like plastic, like wood, like paper, so like your clothes, so these are non-magnetic things. some materials can attract other materials. Those are called magnetics. Okay, do you know what this object is called? Can every material do this? This magnet, here you can see. Okay, here you can see, let me just change the color. Okay, so here you can see a magnet, right? You can see a
Right.
magnet. Okay, so
Yes.
do you know what this object is called? This is called magnet,
Metal.
right? Okay,
Magnet.
इक्तब हेना magnet. Okay, right here, magnet. Make it smaller. Okay, right here, magnet. Or right here, this is magnet.
I know.
Okay, and then write can every material do this? No. Only magnets can do this. Okay, right here, Tahat. No, only magnets can do this. Understand? So the objects that attract the other are called magnets do this. Write this statement here. Magnets do this. Some materials can attract other materials. Those are called magnets. Okay. Understand or not? Boys. Asil. Jamil.
Yes, mister.
فهمت؟ عبد الغني
Yes.
فهمت يا حبيبي؟
Yes.
Good boy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
طيب.
Yes.
Okay. On
Yes.
next page we have
يا أستاذ أستاذ
yes.
أنا فاهم
Sorry.
ماني فاهم
ايش ما فاهم يا عبد الغني؟ انت معنا ولا لا؟
إلا معاك
أنا فهمت.
لو انت معنا انت فاهم يا حبيبي. طيب I will repeat. The question
أنا
is
فهمت.
materials around us, some are soft, some are hard. These are called properties of, these are called properties. Yani fi naim, fi hard, fi gavi, fi like paper, like glass. So these are called properties. What are magnets?
Teacher, write this.
Magnets do this, that they attract other materials. ليش اكتب هذا؟ ايوه تحت انا كتبت.
خلاص أنا كتبته.
كويس، اكتب هذا وهذا. Okay, magnets attract other materials. Okay, and then we have every material cannot do this. What magnets can?
أستاذ اكتب اللي تحت.
Yes, ايوه. ليش انا كتبت؟ عشان انت اكتب. Okay, you should write it. Then we have next page, which is page number 29.
خلصت.
On page number 29, you can see materials are all around us. All of the objects in the photograph are made of materials. As I told you, يعني كل أغراض أنت تشوف هنا كل شيء made of materials, even in your room as well. Find 3 shiny materials. Okay, shiny materials यानी في नूर, यानी في ايش؟ نور. सभी दायरा. Okay, سوي دائرة.
Like bulb.
لا هنا يعني موجود هنا. سوي دائرة ركز معنا. اوكي سوي دائرة واحد this here because this is shiny. Okay, then you can see here this سوي دائرة, this is shiny and this as well هذا برضو shiny. طيب ثلاثة أغراض في shiny. Okay, three things, those are shiny. Find two materials that have to be
Gold.
strong yani gavi. What are
Like
those?
gold.
Sorry.
Gold.
This is not gold by the way. Okay, take this one yani هذا لازم قوي وايش the second one this. Okay, you can take this. Okay, so these two objects must be strong. Okay, then find two materials that have to be hard. Okay, so we will circle hard objects, hard materials يعني.
أستاذ يعني نحط الدوائر ذي
ايوه اخذت الدوائر عشان انت عارف.
وحط الصح
ها
نحط ذا الصح اللي هناك.
yes. Okay. Hard, you should make circle here yani building material. Okay, and metal objects as well. So you will, then what two materials have to be soft yani nine fabric yani هذا لازم نايم صح أقل قماش. طيب you can
Wood.
these two should be this one here and this one here should be naim, should be soft. Okay, so we find out what we find out: strong, hard, soft and shiny objects. Okay, next question.
Wood are strong.
Wood is strong, yes. These objects are made of glass. Why is glass such a useful material for a jar? Okay, why this is useful for jar? Because it is absorbent. Because we need something which is waterproof. Sorry for that, that is not absorbent, that is waterproof and hard. Okay, and we want to see through it. Yani shuf fields jua mawjood. Okay, then what would happen if you used a hammer made of glass? Okay, so here we will write. Okay, now here last question you will write it will break easily. Or you can write it will break because there is no space, so it's okay. It will break. Okay, لو انت خد هذا حمر حق القزاز it will break. So why glass such material? Okay, this is water proof. Okay, one is enough. And others I told you active. Okay, this is waterproof. This is waterproof, you can see through it, and this is hard, transparent. So that's why this is useful for the purpose. Understood? فهمت الحين يا عبد الغني؟
Yes.
That's nice. Okay.
And me.
Now
Yes.
طيب يا حبيبي. خلصت ولا باقي؟
باقي مستر باقي.
Okay. So your homework is Okay, your
I'm done.
homework is word cloud. You will write this word cloud in your notebook.
إيش نكتب؟
هذا word cloud اكتب في
أستاذ.
الدفتر.
أستاذ إيش نكتب؟
Who is doing this?
Finish. I have done بدال حاتم القرشي.
طيب اوكي.
عندنا فيصل خالد.
عبد الرحمن لا تكتب يا حبيبي. عبد الرحمن. Okay, I will send this to your.
أستاذ أنا.
يا أستاذ.
Okay, now let me tell you your homework. Okay.
مستر زياد.
Yes.
I didn't finish.
زياد. teacher.
Yes.
Teacher مستر زياد.
Yes, عبد
إيش
الرحمن.
نكتب؟ إيش نكتب يا أستاذ؟
دقيقة يا حبيبي ركز شوية بس. I will tell you. Homework is you will write in your notebooks يعني في الدفتر. Okay. اكتب فوق word bank. Okay. Like you do in school with me. This is word bank. Okay. Then you will write number 1. Okay. Like this. Number 1. Which is number 1? Which word is number 1? Material. Okay.
Material.
Material. طيب. Okay. Material. Okay. Then number 2. Material. Number 2. Object. So you can write like this. Object or strong. Okay. Whatever. Okay. اكتب كده في الدفتر. طيب. This is your homework. All of it. Not only 2 or 3 words. All these words. Okay. Let me make it.
I didn't finish.
Look here, you can see material, absorbent, hard, soft, object, waterproof, magnetic, salt, and group. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 words. Okay. اكتب 10. Okay. Write 1 from here and complete 10 words in your notebook. طيب. Understood?
Okay, teacher. No.
What? Who is this? Khalf. Yes, Abdurrahman and Nasiri. You have any question?
No.
I didn't finish. I will find the on this page. The editor. After this.
Yes, you understand now? Yes, Ammar Salman. You have anything? You are raising your hand.
Miss, we didn't finish.
Khalaf, I can't hear you.
Miss.
Abdurrahman Hatim, you have anything?
Miss, hear me?
Yes, please.
Yes.
We didn't finish.
Yes.
Hatim and Nasiri, you have anything? Yes, ask me.
No.
Okay. Yes, Tamir. Tamir.
ايوه يا teacher.
Yes.
هذا when we're done with the homework لازم نرسل لك.
Yes, you should
نصوركم
send me in
نرسل لك.
personal, okay?
طيب.
Yes, write it in good writing. And if you write with good writing, I will give you marks as well out of 10. Yes, Ammar
Yeah.
Salman, you are raising your hand. Please ask. Open your mic and ask. Ammar Salman. Don't raise your hand again if you are not able to open your mic. Safwan Al-Gurshi, Abdullah Salim, Turki Bandar, Yamin, Rashid, Khalf, or everybody. If you don't understand, you can ask me again. I will tell you. Now I am
Teacher,
going to
I
say your
understand.
name.
أنا أعرف.
Let me write your name.
29, we didn't finish. This 3, we didn't finish.
Okay, Khalid, I will send you the picture, okay?
أنا
أنا
معك
هرسل
يا
لك صورة
أستاذ،
ما
أعرف وأكتب كل شيء.
Okay, so عبد الرحمن محمد يوسف موجود؟
ولا واجب.
Yes. عبد الرحمن محمد.
Okay, only open your mic when I say your name. Abdul Ghani is there. Okay, Abdul Rahman Hatim Al Nasir is there. Abdul Aziz Muhammad Al Harshi موجود؟ Abdul Aziz Muhammad. Okay. Abdul Rahman Ibrahim As-Somali.
Yes.
Okay. Asil Abdul Aziz Al Maliki.
Yes.
Okay. Aus.
Yeah.
Azam.
Yes.
Azam. Battal Hatem Al Gurshi is there. Faisal Khalid is there. Hussam.
Yes.
Hussam Ibrahim.
نعم. نعم.
Okay. Huzaifa موجود. Said Saif موجود. Safwan موجود. Saud Nasir is there. Turki Abdullah. Turki Abdullah. Yamin is there. Battal. Okay. Battal Mansoor.
أنا تركي عبد الله.
طيب. Okay.
نعم
Battal.
أستاذ.
Okay. Battal Mansoor is there. طيب. Tamir is there. Khalf is there. Abdullah Salim is there. Abdul Rahman Usman is there. Then we have Ammar Salman. Rashid is there. Fahad Faisal.
Yes, I am
Faisal.
راشد. هنا راشد هنا.
Okay. Fahad Faisal.
Finish.
Teacher, I am راشد.
Fahad Faisal موجود؟
Teacher, I am راشد.
طيب يا راشد أنا سميت يا حبيبي.
ازاي؟
يا خلف Khalid, don't open your mic. Fahad Faisal Al Fubaiti. Okay, there are some absentees. I am telling you. غايبين اليوم. Azam Naif. Turki Abdullah. Then we have Fahad Faisal. Fahad Faisal هذا غايبين. طيب, I will send you now the picture in your group so that you can complete your work. Okay, boys?
Finish the homework. I finished the homework.
طيب, ارسلني وورد
Okay, mister.
ارسلني وورد.
Leave me.
طيب.
Leave me.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.